Hello, my name is Björn, and today I'll show you how we convert a TECEplanus from a single flush actuator to a dual flush actuator. For this, you can choose any dual flush actuator from our range that you like. Here, we've chosen the TECE Solid, and I'll show you now how we do the conversion. To do this, we'll now remove the actuator plate. Here we find an old cistern. Please remember to order the mounting and actuator materials with the article number 9,820,692. We need this because the cistern is from before 2021. And now we can already start with the new plate. Moving forward to the very next step in our process. We now need to carefully calibrate and adjust the mounting rods to match the specific new depth requirements for the new actuator frame. We'll adjust it here now. If they're a bit stuck, we'll use a screwdriver. Now we can carefully begin to mount the brand new actuator frame into its proper position. For this specific part of the installation, we will reuse the original mounting screws that were previously removed from the unit. And now, from the additional materials we ordered, we only need the red actuator rod, which we'll cut to the right length. So now we'll screw in the red actuator rod. And we also need to readjust the existing one. Now we can press the plate in front of it. It just clicks in here, test it once, and you're done. Yes, that was the conversion to a dual flush actuator. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, write to us, or give us a call. We're happy to help you.